Welcome to Vehicles Bro. In this video, we will talk about Ford 6.0 ICP sensor replacement cost. Well, ICP sensor is an electronic sensor that monitors the total fuel pressure that enters the injector. The price of the ICP sensor may vary from year to year and car to car. The average price of an ICP sensor is around $120 to $200. Now, let's see the replacement cost of some different year. From 2001 to 2003, the overall cost is around $180 to $200. The price of the ICP sensor is only $160, and the labor cost around $20 to $50. From 2004 to 2010, the overall cost is around $150 to $180. Where ICP price is $107 and labor cost around $40 to $60. From 2011 to 2018, the overall cost around $200 to $250. Where ICP price is $170 and labor cost around $40 to $60. And from 2019 to present, the overall cost around $200 to $250. Where ICP price is $180 and labor cost around $40 to $60. Hope you now got some idea.